Hello and welcome to another GCSE PE related video with Mr. Matthews. Today you join me for a video on bone classification. Before we begin, do not forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and let's begin. The aim of today's video is to identify the 4 different types of bone, where they are found, and their primary functions. As well as this, we will look at how the shape and type of bone determines the movement that takes place. So let's begin by looking at flat bones. Examples of flat bones include the cranium, the ribs, the sternum, and the scapula. And essentially, they provide protection for major organs. So the cranium surrounds and encloses the brain, which offers protection, and the ribs, sternum do exactly the same thing but offer protection to the heart and lungs. As well as this, flat bones act as a point of attachment for muscles which supports movement. Moving on, the next bone that I'd like to talk about is an irregular bone. And the irregular bone is irregular in terms of its shape, and often irregular bones offer protection to the body. So if I were to give you an example, I might mention the vertebrae, which offer support and protection to the spinal cord. As well as this, the vertebrae bear the majority of the weight placed upon a person's spine. Moving on to short bones. The short bones can be found in the wrist, and these are known as carpals, and can also be found at the ankle, and these are known as tarsals. Small bones are associated with small, concise and controlled movements, so can often be seen in dart throwing. And finally, we have long bones. Long bones can be found in the upper limbs, so the arms, and lower limbs, the legs. Starting with the arms, you have the humerus, radius and ulna, and moving on to the legs, you have the femur, tibia and fibula. Now, these long bones are associated with large gross movements, so they are often used during running exercises or tackling in rugby. And that concludes another video. In summary, today we've looked at different types of bone, their primary functions, which involve predominantly offering the body protection, support and movement. If you found today's video helpful, please do not forget to click the thumbs up. Thanks for joining me. Take care and see you soon.